up guys? So we're here sa Coffee Bean sa Alabang. Hindi kasi tayo pwede lumayo eh. Pero as business owner, kailangan patuloy yung deals natin, patuloy yung marami tayong iniisip, yung pag-stock and everything. Speaking of, ito, minatawagan tayong seller ngayon. We're gonna restock on the Kobe 6 Proto All-Star. So ito na siya. Hello brother, good day. Ayan. So, bro, ayun, napag-usapan natin Kobe 6 na All-Star. Nakabili na kami ng small sizes. What we need is big sizes. And you have size 10 to 12, total of 5 pairs. How much can... 10, okay. Dalawa. Tapos 10.5. Ayun, tag-isa. Sige, how much can you give that, bro? As a pack, kunin ko lahat yung 5 pairs. How much? 80k yung asking mo. Pero magkano bibenta sa akin pag ako yung bibili? 79, grabe naman, parang binili mo naman yung friendship natin ng 1k lang, hindi joke lang. Pwede bang bawasan natin kahit siguro kaya mo ba ng offer ko 73,000? Napuputol ka bro, ano sabi mo, okay na? Napuputol ka? Ay, hindi. 75. 75. O sige, 75 deal. Sige, 5 pairs, 75,000 deal. Good ka ba sa cash? Good ba sa'yo cash payment na lang kung kaya i-deliver today sa store? Cash payment tayo. Yun, sige. Okay, sige. Sige, deliver natin ngayon sa store tapos pa-ready ko yung cash doon, brother. Since I'm doing a vlog nga pala of this transaction, so ang tawag dito, may page ka ba bro na gusto mo shoutout natin? Anong page mo? Got Kicks PH, correct? Okay, Got EM Sneaks PH. Ayun guys, so follow nyo. If you're gonna order, pwede rin yung order kay Brother Cran. Okay? So bro, ayun, pa-deliver na lang today, tapos deal na tayo. Thank you Salamat. Thank you. So yun guys, syempre tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung business. We have to keep on finding deals, buy stocks for our customers. And tong Kobe to sobrang ganda eh. So pag pinadeliver to doon, papapicturean natin para you guys can see what it looks like. And pwede na kayong bumili. Head on to the Get Nice store na.
So yun guys, ito nga, dumating na yung mga stocks na binili natin from Cran. Ito na yung mga Kobe natin, binidyohan nila, dumating sa store. So ayan, available na siya guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng pair na to eh. As you can see, diba, para siyang yung paborito kong Kobe, which is the Kobe 6 Grinch. Ang difference siya lang is color white siya, and since all-star siya, so instead of scales lahat ng details niya, as you can see, merong mga stars dyan. Pero sobrang gusto ko tong pair na to kasi yung Grinch, I can only wear it if I'm wearing activewear or pang-basketball talaga. Pero this one, yung all-star, you can pair it with the casual shorts or if you're going out. Sobrang gusto ko rin na sale colorway siya and not just pure white. Kasi hindi siya masyadong dumihin. Tapos I like the black swoosh. Every time if it's a Nike, I love na black yung swoosh.
Okay, so quick check muna tayo. So for our cap today, we have the Jordan cap, color beige. This is for 2,000 I think. And then for our top, we have the Gallery Department shirt. This is for, I think, 16,000 pesos. Depends sa size. Tapos for the pants, we have the cotton-on pants. Yan, gusto ko kasing fit nito guys. This is for 2,000 pesos lang. And then for the shoes, we have the Jordan 4 off-white sale. Medyo mataas yung kuha ko sa big size eh. This is for like around 90,000 pesos if I remember correctly. For the watch, we have the Root Gear, Rolex, and two-tone. Tapos meron tayong i-drip check daw natin yung bali natin. So yung nito may bakal dito worth 65,000 pesos. So yun guys.